Chef Scuba here. We are going to cook another breakfast today. Today we're doing 3 eggs. And I'm going to put in those eggs, I've got some tomatoes from the garden. Just have to cut them up. And this is the chicken breast I did on the grill. Cubing it up. So let's get started here. What I like to do is crack open the yolks. Then I add chicken to it. Cook a little bit more. Flip it over, and I'll cut up the tomatoes real quick here. I like big chunks of tomato. Like I said, these are right from the garden. The small ones I'm just going to order. You always got to try these. Straight from the garden. Just like real food. Alright. Well, that's cooked. Put these on the side to warm them up. Get those to where they're going to be almost like a grilled. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to make 2 of these double fiber honey wheat. There's the nutritional information. 220 sodium, and I'm going to have 2 of them, but I'm going to do a lot of heavy work today. So considering I don't have time to eat lunch normally, that's okay. Just right here. It's almost done right there. Put a lid on this. Turn it down to off. Put these guys up. These were buy one get one free at Sweet Bay. These guys are buy one get one free at Sweet Bay. So we're going to put that on toast, 450, 10 minutes. Or until it starts smoking, just easy. You can smell those tomatoes, they're almost like stewed tomatoes. I think the only thing I'm going to add to this is a touch of garlic, powder, not salt. We're going to do some basil. Go with those tomatoes. I'm only going to do 1 twist of the seed.